Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Leo. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love. So yung Tagalog love reading, ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay bago. We will tap into the energy of third party energy. Okay. So, please take note na ang third party ay hindi lamang romantic. Okay? So, anything or anyone outside the connection or relationship mo with your person ay third party energy. So, pwedeng friends, family, relatives, yeah. Pwedeng katrabaho, kaklase, pwedeng trabaho din mismo, pwedeng ACADS, business, career. So, yun. So, alamin natin dito sa gagawin nating reading. And gusto ko lang i-remind ng lahat na ito ay collective reading. So, ibig sabihin, pwede or pwedeng hindi mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? So, kung nag-resonate siya, gamitin nyo siya as guidance. May choice pa rin kayo. Kung hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo sa reading na ito. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang reading. Kaya subscribe na sa channel. Okay, so ang gagawin ko ay bubunot ako ng 2 cards each. So, 2 cards para sa current connection. Ano yung pagganapan? Ano yung nangyayari sa connection ninyo? Then, dalawa for the influence or the third party energy. And yung pangatlo, dalawa for ano yung paano naapektuhan yung third party, yung situation or yung relationship or the connection. Okay? Sige. So, yung connection nyo is Three of Wands and Nine of Wands. Yung third party energy. Oh, okay. And then, how it affects the connection, Justice, and Page of Pentacles. So, the third party energy is Hierophant and Ace of Cups. So, consensus na romantic yung third party energy, pero i-double confirm natin siya. Habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Leo na sumusuporta sa channel ko. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sana patuloy niyo suportahan sa mga bago. Sana suportahan niyo rin ang channel ko para mag-grow siya, para mas ma-improve yung setup, para mas marami pa akong readings na magawa para sa inyo. Okay? Sige. Ganun natin. So, is this a romantic third party situation? Yes. Okay. So, sige. So, bago ko simulan, there's a strong energy of Libra and Taurus. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng yon yung sign ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to. Yun yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay? Sige. So, current situation ng relationship ninyo or connection niyo is Three of Wands and Nine of Wands. So, merong challenge na and obviously nasagot naman na siya dahil may third party na romantic connection between your person and this third party. Pero at the moment, there's parang nag-aantayan kayo eh. Kung sino yung either sa end mo, kung magtatanong ka ba o obserbahan mo ba muna yung nangyayari between your person and the third party. And yung person mo rin, naantay din niya, tinitignan din niya, ina-assess niya kung aamin ba siya, sasabihin ba niya sa'yo, or kung nalalaman mo ba. So may ganung energy na nasasagap. May antayan na nagaganap. Sinong unang gagawa ng move when it comes to confronting this situation. And the reason kung bakit nag-aantayan kasi syempre cautious kayo pareho. Yung isa cautious siya dahil well, ayaw ka niyang masaktan. But at the same time, gusto niyang protektahan din yung sarili niya from conflict, from confrontation, from the issue. Siya at ikaw din, syempre, kaya parang may antayan moment kasi ikaw din, tinatansya mo parang inaantay mo rin talaga na ano yung move na gagawin ng person mo. Kasi, of course, ikaw din, you want to protect yourself from the heartache that this situation may cause. Pero, ayan, kailangan yung confront yung situation. Kasi, at the moment, yeah, yung third party energy is, um, yeah, in love siya dun sa person mo. Okay? And, meron kasi silang parang shared beliefs when it comes to relationship. Alam mo yun, yung parang silang dalawa kasi merong compatibility ba? Hindi ko sinasabi na hindi kayo compatible, pero ang nakikita ko lang dito is yung person mo kasi parang may nakita siya dito sa third party na tingin niya nag-a-align sa gusto niya sa isang relationship. Okay? And itong third party din kasi ayun, in love siya dun sa person mo. Kaya, ayun, na-involve sila into this mess, into this affair, into this situation na hindi naman dapat. Okay? And kung paano naapektuhan yung relationship ninyo, ito, justice card, and yeah, and page of pentacles. So, may may gagawin ditong person mo to at least uh, take accountability dun sa situation. What I can sense here, yung nasasagot kong energy is, um, aamin naman siya and hindi naman niya i-deny na merong iba. Okay? Pero tignan natin, yun sa pag hindi niya pag-deny niya yun is pipiliin ba niya yung third party? Let's see. Okay. Current situation, okay. The fool and Ace of Wands in current situation ninyo. Okay. So may challenges nga, uh, and may waiting and seeing. And dito sa Ace of Wands, there's pareho eh. Ace of Wands and the Fool is a new beginning. I have this feeling na iiwan itong person mo yung third party at ikaw ang pipiliin. Kung gusto niya na magkaroon ka ng panibagong simula. Pero gusto kong makita if sincere ba yun or nire-regret ba mo yung ginawa niya. But at the moment, yung in terms of you and your person, dahil nga aamin naman siya dun sa mess kung saan siya na-involve, iiwanan niyo yun, hihingi siya ng panibagong pagkakataon from you, panibagong simula, and yeah, tingnan natin yung sa third party situation na lang. King of Cups and Queen of Coins. Takpan natin siya. So si Queen of Coins and King of Cups. Okay. So ayaw na rin kasi ng person mo ng drama in life. And yung third party situation is causing so much drama sa person mo. Kaya ay, ayaw na siya, iiwan na niya, and will be more loyal to you. Okay? Kahit, ayun, kahit nakikita nga niya yung parang uh, compat yung may mga bagay na compatible sila dun sa person at mahal siya ng third party. Pero mas kasi nandito rin yung beginning with you and nandito yung King of Cups which is more on the loyalty ng person. And then what energy I can see here is yung loyalty niya towards you. And itong Queen of Coins nga is your person avoiding so much drama in life. And ayun, tingnan natin yung sa connection. Yeah. May justice, may judgment, and Six of Cups, yeah. Kasi dun sa, syempre magkakaroon ng conflict, di ba? Naamin siya, and of course, in a natural process, hindi ka naman na, okay, sige, fine. Hindi. Of course, there will be some issues na kailangan resolve. And kaya, kung gusto yun ng person mo na magbalik sa'yo at magkaroon ng panibagong simula dahil bigla ka niyang na-miss. Bigla niyang na-realize yung love na binigay mo sa kanya, which is sincere, authentic. Kaya, mamimiss ka nitong tao na to and ma-realize niya na mali yung ginawa niya. Judgment card, as shown here, hihingi siya ng forgiveness sa'yo. And this person will try to redeem himself or herself. Okay? Kaya, babalik siya sa'yo, iwanan niya yung third party, at hingi siya ng tawad, at hingi siya ng panibagong simula sa'yo. Okay? Yun. So, sana nakatulong bago ko tapusin yung reading. Iwan ako ng isang oracle card as as a advice from the universe. Okay. Okay, advice from the universe. Feeling gloomy, present for your present moments. Yeah. Well, of course, hindi naman happy talaga yung situation na nakikita dito. But, sinasabi lang din ni universe is just, alam mo yun, wag mong isantabi yung feelings. Kung nalulungkot ka sa sitwasyon, malungkot ka lang, valid naman yung emosyon na yun. Kung magagalit ka, magalit ka. Kung may iyak ka, umiyak ka. So it's um, a situation na ganito, syempre, if you're feeling sad, gloomy, just let it out. Because it will help release yung negative energies or negative feelings sa'yo. Kasi, and yeah, nasa sa'yo din naman yun kung bibigyan mo to ng chance kung papatawarin mo yung tao na to. And, but for now, kung wag ka lang din magpadalos-dalos dahil um, full of emotions ka, intense emotions. So, hayaan mo muna siyang humupa. I-feel mo lang lahat ng kailangan mo feel. And then afterwards, once na okay ka na, assess the situation and tignan mo kung bibigyan mo nga siya ng chance o patatawagin mo yung tao na to. Okay? So, ayan. So, abangan nyo na lang. Yung susunod ko pang love reading. Okay? Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Miss Tito Moreno. Or in short, Miss Mo, Tita Hits. Ingat!